To earn money from YouTube, you need to become a YouTube partner and monetize your videos. Here are the steps. 1. Create a YouTube channel. Sign in to YouTube and create a new channel. Make sure to choose a name that represents your brand or content. 2. Meet the eligibility requirements. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months to be eligible for monetization. 3. Set up monetization. In your YouTube Studio dashboard, go to the Monetization tab and follow the instructions to enable monetization for your channel. 4. Ad formats. YouTube offers several ad formats, including display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, and bumper ads. You can choose which ad formats to use on your videos. 5. Revenue share. YouTube will share a percentage of the revenue generated from ads on your videos. The exact percentage varies based on factors such as the advertiser, the types of ads, and the country where the viewers are located. 6. Ad policies. YouTube has strict policies regarding the types of content that can be monetized. You must follow these policies to remain eligible for monetization. 7. Payment. YouTube pays its creators via Google AdSense. You must have a valid AdSense account to receive payment. It's important to note that YouTube's terms and conditions are subject to change at any time. It's important to stay up to date with the latest policies and guidelines to ensure that your channel remains eligible for monetization.